Adventures in Sheltering at Home. Close-ups in the Yard. Starring too many to mention. The close-up photos that you're going to see in this video were all taken with this tiny little microscope. Uncle Rob got this for me for my birthday last year, and it uses Wi-Fi and it connects to my phone, and there's an app as well. And so what the microscope is looking at, I can actually see on my phone, and then I can take pictures. So it's really, really cool. Oh, and I can take videos too. I've had a lot of fun with it. The following photos will be working in groups of 2. The first is the close-up, and the second is the full view. In each close-up, can you guess if it's a plant, an animal, or something else? Shall we start? A cactus bloom. Flowers on a barrel cactus. The weird-looking bloom of a bromeliad plant. Tiny blooms on this euphorbia, also known as the baseball plant. An aphid on a rosebud. A snail on a leaf. The fuzzy leaf of a succulent. Tiny red blooms on the top of another euphorbia plant. The spider-like bloom of a long john grevillea plant. Can you find those 2 tiny pink flowers on this cactus? A very teeny tiny cactus. Lavender in bloom. Rust on the wing of this garden rooster. One of the sharp edges of this agave plant. These are actually weeds of some type, and they're all over our property right now. The inside of a cactus bloom. These little cuties are called California sun cups. They appear all over the yard after we get some heavy rains. So that's all for this video, and I guess then all I can say is next time you're out and about, keep your eyes open and look closely because you never know what kind of cool things you'll find. Take care, and I love you guys. Bye-bye.